front of me is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access Passwords over here. Following that, tap on this plus at the top right corner and click on a new password in the pop-up. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can add a title. Then input website. Username, email or phone number. And last but definitely not least, password. You can even take some notes. When you're done, to add your password, select Done at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!